Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I am fine, thank you. Presentation, digital marketing, and the best lot of part oil, digital marketing, lot of oil, 27 oil, the step by step my videos, my channel. This present time, this videos present the online advertising and online marketing. Online advertising and online marketing is a very important part of digital marketing and digital platform. Online advertising and marketing. The internet connect marketing to customers across the country and around the world. If you advertise online, remembers that result and guidelines that product consumer also help business by maintaining the credibility of the internet as a marketing medium. In addition, trust in advertising standards apply if you sell computer software, apps, or other products or service. The FTC also configure the Information Commons Act, which query online marketing to vary the identity of high volume third party sales on the platform and make the ensure consumer report superior condition quick about kids online. The online marketing. However, online marketing differs from marketing. Type of online marketing. Number one, the main type of online marketing. Number one, social media marketing, search engine optimization, pay-per-click marketing, affiliate marketing, influencer marketing, email marketing, content marketing, native advertising. Social media marketing, search engine optimization, pay-per-click, affiliate marketing, etc. But online advertising, how to create effect online ad campaign. Online advertising is one of the most effective way for business of all sizes to extend their reach, find new customers, and delivers their revenues stream. With so many options available from PPC and paid social media, paid social to online display advertising, and in apps ad online advertising can be internet to newcome but doesn't have been word stem make online advertising easy, and we've helped those business grow by leveraging the power of paid search and paid social advertising. Online advertising, the paid search. Why you think of online advertising, the change and part is good that you think of paid search advertising. Paid search, also known as pay-per-click advertising or PPC, is one of the most common and effective type of online advertising and online marketing. Google paid search always to beat and revenue team and parses that many cause text-based ads to display to user when they enter a specific search query into Google or Bing. This term parses as knows keywords. There are from basic PPC advertising, advertise, bring, and that. Keywords should be highly revenues to use business, organic and state and local ad group, especially campaign type, etc. etc. Online advertising, paid social. Why paid social? Transformation internet advertising, paid social, web social network remains the most popular paid adults social advertising targeted person customer and this blog post know our audience just a paid search advance have to clock in knows before launch campaign paid social advertising how to know ideas customers each and then targeted audience online advertising campaign. There are much more the online advertising than simple placing an ads on the internet and hoping for the best. The most effective advertising campaign campaign rules, internet elements, all of which performance unique versus the maxis campaign products. Text and various ad, landing page, call tracking, sponsor content, analytic, email marketing, remarketing, PPC, paid social, then perfect combined. Online advertising, internet marketing is just one of core made for large B2B. Business to business frames is powerful virtual campaign all size including small and medium market companies. Online advertising offer marketing of opportunity that reach very broad or very targeted postcard, forecast, generate leads, communication and message and raise visibility that team online advertising reach to the general type of campaign. Brand ad campaign or website, ad sponsor content or targeted email news, affiliate program that enable to campaign commission on click sale. Strategy, campaign, tools, name, message, CRM, ROI, sales process, campaign planning, marketing planning, online advertising. While B2B market has a similar universal of B2C market, the values, the process type will when the targeted campaign could offer. Online advertising, timing, immediately, targeting, lead generation and returns, cost, scalability, basic, nature, poster. Online advertising, before your being, development, training goal, targeted your audience, profile and targeted your audience, you can reach large audience with your ads. Broad don'ts mean create a goal often on campaign cost to earn, forecast conversion, unity test different after online advertising. Who can online advertising is a major advertising and online advertising is a quick promotion products information without geographics boundary limits a major sale inbound find advertising which process news challenge online advertising. Online advertising passes through following common basal: cost per door, CPM, cost per mile. Advertising pay when the message and extort special audience. 2. Pay per click, CPC. Advertising pay every time use click on their ad. Cost per action, CPA. Advertise only pay when a specific action generate the CPA. Online marketing. Online marketing, also called internet marketing, digital marketing, or electronics marketing, involves us and web-based medium to promote brand and this product and service potential customer. Those the medium include social media, email, website, and search engine. So why does online marketing matter and why should base taken senior? There are over 5.20 billion active internet user worldwide, which action of the 68% the goal popular more than average internet user spend 6 to high hours online days. Some who those people consent be ideas customers and reach and engage a small fact than those online marketing condition trends on your business. Online marketing differs online marketing and traditional marketing. The biggest difference between online and traditional marketing. Online marketing, type of online marketing, the way of online marketing: social media marketing, search engine optimization, pay per click PPC marketing, affiliate marketing, native advertising, content marketing, email marketing, influencer marketing, etc. etc. Social media marketing, search engine optimization, pay per click marketing, search engine marketing, affiliate marketing, influencer marketing. Email marketing, content marketing, native marketing. Online marketing, just some tips: cost effectiveness, global reach, audience targeting, manufacturer result, popularization, flexibility, fast and more conversion, better customer engagement, high quality leads, cost effective. Online marketing is more and than traditional marketing. The cost effective level the play field for all business range and size or marketing budget. What's more, some from online marketing, such as PPC, affiliate marketing, return on investment. Global research. Online marketing always test and geographic boundaries. Audience targeting. Online marketing enable to state audience based internet demo below. For example, your marketing campaign is specific audience, basic, gender, age, location, and invoice using data analysis, profile, etc. etc. Flexibility, more conversion, better customer engagement. Online marketing channels like social media and email provide direct common between page and customer propagation online. High quality leads. Thank you. Best of luck.